Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make full screen in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. So we need to open Microsoft Word first. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and you need to type Word. So once you have search for it, you need to click on it under the best match, then click on the blank document. But if you already have your document in your Microsoft Word, then you just need to open directly on that. And here is how you can go full screen. Just simply look at your keyboard, locate the Alt key, the V key, letter V as in victory, and letter U as an umbrella. So press Alt plus V plus U together. And there you go. You are now in the full screen on your Microsoft Word. So you can see that the ribbons here at the top has disappeared. So this is how you can easily go full screen in your Microsoft Word. And if you want to bring the ribbons back, just simply press the escape key on your keyboard. And that's it. The ribbons are back right here at the top. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.